Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of Android and Google's latest move that's got everyone talking. Specifically, we're talking about their new sideloading flow, which has sparked both excitement and concern among the tech community. So let's break it down and see what this means for Android users and developers alike. First things first, sideloading has been a cornerstone of Android since its inception. It's what allows users to install apps from sources other than the Google Play Store, giving them a sense of flexibility and openness. But with great power comes great responsibility, and Google's been facing some challenges with sideloading, particularly when it comes to scams and malware. Google's new sideloading flow is designed to address these concerns while still maintaining the functionality and freedom that users and developers love. Here's the breakdown. Advanced flow. This is a four-step process that starts with a user confirmation that no one is instructing them to install the app. It then kicks off a 24-hour delay, during which the user must reboot their device to start the timer. After 24 hours, the user can continue the sideloading process, again acknowledging the risks. User protection. The delay is a crucial part of this process, as it gives users a chance to think things through and avoid potential scams. It's a thoughtful way of balancing user protection with functionality. Developer options. While the delay is a significant hurdle, developers and enthusiasts can still use the usual ADB tools, which means they can sideload apps right away if needed. This is a hassle for normal users, but it's a massive wall in front of scammers. Non-issue for most. For many users, sideloading won't be an issue at all. Google's developer verification program just requires developers to register, at which point sideloading becomes a non-issue with no waiting periods or other hurdles. Now, I think this compromise is near perfect. Google has made it clear that their goal isn't to remove functionality or freedom, but to protect users and shut down scams. By limiting sideloading, they're creating a safer environment without sacrificing the core features that make Android great. In my opinion, this is a win-win situation. Users get the protection they need, and developers can still do what they love. It's a thoughtful and balanced approach that addresses a real issue without compromising the user experience. So, what do you think? Is Google's new sideloading flow a step in the right direction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and analysis. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of tech.